Hey Becky, what's it like on a day on birds?
It's really fun. So not a lot of people get birds. They can be a bit of a challenge, but I really like the naughty characters. That's probably why I really like birds. They're not as hard to clean out as some of the big animals like the tapirs or giraffe. But yeah, we do a lot of feeding, a lot of enrichment, which are the good parts of the day. But then we do a lot of cleaning, and we've got a big stack of washing up every day. Should we just show you guys?
That'd be awesome, great. So there you have it, that is what a day in the life of a bird keeper at a Wingham Wildlife Park looks like. Stay tuned for the next one, guys.